when we come to standing, you want to think about keeping your feet together, lift your thighs up, lift your kneecaps up, pull your abdomen in and up. And now just try to do a balancing on your toes, keeping that engagement in the core. Inhale, raise the arms up and heels up without losing that. And then exhale, bring the arms down and the heels down. So you can do that a few more times. Inhale, Tadasana. Exhale, arms down and heels down.
Come into all fours. So what that means is you need to have your wrists always aligned underneath your shoulders and your knees always aligned under the hips. Your hands are shoulder width distance and your knees are hip width distance. What we are going to do is drop the spine down as you lengthen upwards with the chin and the tailbone. On the exhale, you'll round through the shoulders, pull the belly in and bring your chin to your chest as you look to your navel. Come to a neutral spine, come to your mat. You'll bring your hands underneath your shoulders and extend your leg till your toes touch the ground. Then the opposite one. So always keep the body in a straight line. Because this is kind of hard, people will have the tendency to do this or drop your hips. That's really bad because you'll hurt your lower back. So always pull through your belly and make sure the body is in a straight line. Roll the shoulders and keep the body really nice and long and engage your thigh muscles.
So feel very strongly with your hands on the mat. Now tuck your toes. Make sure you engage your navel and slowly lift yourself up. When you lift yourself up, your focus is to lift your hips back and up. So lengthening your spine. Keeping that position of your spine completely straight, you're going to press your heels into the floor.
Transfer your weight over to the left side. Reach down and hold on to your ankle and place the heel as close to the groin as possible. Keep the proper alignment in the tree pose. Press back with the left thigh and straighten your spine, lengthening your upper body.
Bring your knees down to the mat and fingers wide and nice and spread. Inhale. As you exhale, lift your knees and hips and send it back to the sky. And once you're ready, as you inhale, lift your right leg all the way forward and bring it right in between your palms. As you inhale, push yourself all the way up. Bring your torso all the way towards your knees. From here, once you're ready, maintain the lower body position. And as you inhale, bring both your arms all the way up and stay here for a couple of deep breaths. For number 2, just keep your breath really normal and bring your body away from your knee and still maintaining the knee position and the alignment, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths. So begin by sitting in Vajrasana, and what you want to do is basically stand onto your knees and widen your legs really nice. Bring your palms facing down, your fingers facing down onto the back of your hip, and slowly inhale first and exhale. Slowly push your hips forward and slowly bringing your arms to your ankles and arch back.
Take your right foot across your left knee and place it on the mat. Make sure your hip does not lift off the mat. Place your right hand behind you for support. Inhale, lift the left arm, twist and place your hand on the foot. Look over your right shoulder. If you cannot reach your foot, bend your elbow and place your hand on your shoulder across. Use your upper arm to push the knee back.